washing plates.
Have you finished all the domestic work I gave you before going out?
Yes, I've finished everything. I've swept the compound, I washed all the dirty clothes, and then I cleaned the toilet and the bedroom. I filled water in the drum. Auntie?
Yes.
See this money. I want you to keep it.
Where did you get it from?
Brother Okay gave it to me. You know Brother Okay that stays in the other flat. I bought some few items for him, so he asked me to keep the change, but I don't want it.
No wonder. So this is what you do, Eno. You have started frolicking with men, Eno. I will not have that happen in my house.
Eh? Auntie, God forbid, I can never do that kind of a thing. How can you be saying that, Auntie?
Oh, you even have the courage to challenge me, Eno. You want to die the same way your sisters died and put me into problem. It's not going to happen in my house. Go in there, pack your things and leave my house, Eno. Go. What from me? Is it not because of these small oranges that Brother Jet saw on your chest? He started coming after you. The next thing you will do is to seduce my husband. And I will not watch it happen in my house. Eno, go inside there. Go on, for what? Get out of my house now. Akbara, you told me no before. Stupid thing before. What? Winch. Stupid thing. I will just tell you, you will snatch my phone. What? Stop doing this. Just come and push me out of my house.
What's that crazy? Did you see a guy jumping around like a bloody fool? Just like this? Oh God, I don't believe it. You know, white men don't know how to dance. On the most serious note,
the guy was like this.
I mean, it was. Damn, I don't believe it.
You know what? This is the best party of the year.
Bro, I mean, Chris is loaded with so much dollars, man. Do you know how much he spent there?
The guy is really, really tight. And you can see the chicks, flocking around, looking for whom to devour.
What do you expect with such a well-done party, bro? What do you expect? Yeah, I don't believe it. Where's Jimmy?
Jimmy. I know.
He's typing.
I know.
He's typing.
I know.
Watch. Come on. Okay, see.
Hey guys! Meet my friend.
Hi.
Here's my friend.
Hello, my name is Cameron. What's yours?
Sharon.
Sharon. And this is my friend Collins. How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, has anybody ever told you you look very attractive? So,
Hey! I have to run along. I want to continue the party at home.
I know.
I know you.
I know.
I'll see you tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'll see you, huh? See you later. Take care of yourself, okay?
All right, I'll come by your hospital in the morning, all right?
Bye-bye.
Hello? What are you doing here by this time of the night? Do you need help? Hey, yeah, you're crying. Is something wrong? Do you need help? You can't just stay here by this time of the night. It's a very dangerous neighborhood. Okay, you know what? Why don't you come with me? Huh? Why don't you come with me and I'll take care of you? Okay? Let me take you home. I'll take care of you. Alright? Come on, stop crying, please. Stop crying. Come, let me take you.
cabinet members have deliberated on the land dispute between the two of you. And we have decided to share the land equally between both of you. What do you say?
Your Highness, the land belongs to me. I bought the land, and I want to build a factory on it.
Your Highness, may you live long. That land belongs to me, and it is the only piece of land my father, Okeke the great hunter, left for me. Please, don't take away the land.
Your Highness, he is lying. The land belongs to me.
All right, this is my final verdict on the land dispute. I will sell the land and give the money to widows, orphans, and the less privileged of Ututu community. What do you say? None of you will have the land anymore.
Your Highness, the Omero Hawan of Ututu community, may you live long. According to my father, selling that land will bring an abomination unto our ancestors. Well, give him the land. I know that Amadioha, the great god of this community, will one day reveal the truth.
Well, I don't want the land again. You can sell it and give the money to the widows and less privileged, as we said.
All right. Before the elders and members of the cabinet here, I now decree that that piece of land be given back to Okeke the hunter. That land belongs to him.
Good morning. Don't you ever find time for yourself?
But it's just morning. Besides, I'll have more time to rest when I'm done with my work.
All right. Well, I just came to thank you for everything you've been doing around here.
Thank me? So I should be the one to thank you. Because you saved me from the jaws of death.
Jaws of death?
If you hadn't picked me up on that fateful night, I would have been dead by now.
You don't mean it.
I wanted to commit suicide, At least my auntie would have been very happy to see my corpse.
Well, I'm happy you did not do that. Anyway, I'm off to work.
Okay, bye-bye, sir.
One more thing. Please drop the sir. I'm more comfortable with just Kanu, okay?
Okay, sir.
Call the doctor immediately. The doctor has risen tremendously. What are we going to do?
Get me an Nigerian injection and some syringe. Hurry up, quickly.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Which girl? Oh, yes, let her in. Yeah, come in. Hey, Angel, how
Good
are
afternoon,
you?
sir.
What did you call me?
Good afternoon, Khan.
Alright, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
What did you call me?
Sorry, I forgot. Thank you, Khan.
Alright. So, what is that you're carrying?
It's food. I prepared it specially for you. I'm sure you'll like it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Remember, if I win this game, I'm going to eat all the meat in our food during dinner, okay?
Play. Because I'll win and I will eat all the meat in the soup.
Okay, watch this woman. Watch it.
Oh, don't touch my king. Don't touch my king. Yes,
serious on the down.
hold on. Ah!
Oh, First Lady.
The barrister himself.
Hey! Barry!
Don't tell me that you guys are still enjoying your honeymoon.
Honeymoon? Did you say honeymoon, barrister?
Yes, honeymoon. As a barrister, I can see it all over you. Well, baby, congratulations. You're taking good care of him.
Yeah, she's doing a nice job. You're welcome, barrister.
Okay.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank
Sit
you
down.
very much. Thank you very much.
Sit down.
Wow.
Yeah, barrister. What do I offer you?
No.
No?
Not what do I offer you. What do we offer him? Remember, whatever God has joined together, let no man or woman put asunder. So, my dear barrister, what do we offer you?
See, Collins, this is not your hospital, and Choma is not one of your nurses. Just get me a glass of water, okay?
Just a glass of water.
Just water.
Oh, Mr. Bachelor. I'll get you a plate of food alongside your water.
He eats a lot of.
And that makes it better. And what?
You can.
So you can play this?
Nah,
I thought it's meant for learned people like us.
what I'm trying to say.
Can I help you with your dressing?
All right. No, I've already done that. It's all right. I know. Come here. Why do you do this? I mean,
Well, I am doing it because I have seen a man that cares for me. I'm doing this because I don't have anybody else in this whole world but you. That's why I'm doing it.
I know. I care for you. I always will.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm off to work, and what do I expect when I get back?
I'll prepare a very delicious meal for you.
All right. I'll look forward to it.
Have a nice day at work.
I will.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
I'm still not convinced why I'm having this emergency lunch.
Don't keep us in suspense. Tell us why you called for this lunch.
Is there something wrong with inviting your friends to lunch?
No. There's nothing wrong at all. Just that invitation is sudden. So, why don't you tell us why we're here?
All right. We're here Because I'm happy.
Oh, yeah.
And I want you guys to guess the cause of my happiness.
Okay. You want a jackpot or contract?
Far from it. Your turn, Collins.
I can see it all over you, bro. You've got a new catch, isn't it? So tell me, who is this your girlfriend?
And no, it's not a girlfriend. She's a wife. This girl is the epitome of everything I've ever wanted in a woman. She's loving, she's beautiful, she's nice, she's caring, she's homely. She's everything. I love this girl. Just you should see this girl dressed cute. I mean, check out her. Mama!
Gano, I just hope you stick to this girl.
Bro,
Okay?
have you ever seen me running around?
Thank God you can fall in love again. For me, I'm not ready.
Bros, I need to see your grandchild.
I still have 2 more years to go. Hey, I'm not ready now.
No, bro, my own is like in a few weeks or something like that. Anyway, let us drink, let us eat, let us enjoy, let us celebrate this girl. I mean, she's something else, man. She's something else. After this, we're going to the best club, the best joint in town. We're going to drink our heads off, right? We're going to celebrate this girl. For the first time in my life, I am in love. Can you believe that?
That's good.
This girl is worth celebrating. I'm going to show her to you. No, I don't trust you.
I'm here to congratulate you because I'm not very sure.
Bro, come on, just give me a hand, man. I'm sure.
No,
I
he's serious.
am sure.
He's serious.
Okay.
He's serious.
Congrats.
Yeah, bro, I'm still waiting for yours. This food is delicious, honey. Yeah, but what's the magic?
What magic? Look, there's no magic in the food. I just used the right ingredients to prepare it. That is why it is nice.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't you know how to use cutleries?
Okay, you come and teach me, Mr. Know-All. Come and teach me how to use cutlery. After all, you are a prince and a heir to the throne of Ututu community. So go ahead, come and teach me.
All right, I will teach you. First of all, let us take this out and use this. The knife goes into your right, the fork on the left. Now you use the knife to scoop food into the pot. Hey, I thought you said you didn't know how to use cutleries.
I'm still waiting for you to come and teach me how to use it.
Hey, I'm not so fast now. I haven't even started yet. Wait for me.
No, come and wait and teach me, huh?
Wait. Yeah. Thanks for that beautiful meal. Okay?
And thanks for providing the money.
Yeah.
Sweetie, you've not said anything about the stress you bought for me today. Or don't you like it?
Well, the only thing I can say is it looks perfect on you.
Thank you.
All right. So why don't we go upstairs and rest?
Yeah, but I have to wash the dishes in the kitchen first.
Oh, no, you don't. We'll do it together tomorrow. All right?
Please.
No.
Okay, you say so.
I do.
I've always known you to be a good cook and not a good player.
Choma, play this game and let me win you.
When Ugo came, Ugo was like, baby, I beg, you don't say, you get as a team, you know, just talk
I have already told you that it is a common knowledge that wives of doctors are usually very socially backward, and you are not an exception.
Okay.
What is that?
No, all of us seriously, the guy
Really
could not
now?
talk to the girl.
Hey,
You don't mean
hey,
it. He
hey.
could not talk to
Stop talking
No,
about
the guy
girls.
fucked up now. He fucked up.
I'm the only person that is authorized to talk about girls here.
What is wrong with
Why? Your women are there?
Okay, because you're not married.
So what? I mean, if my girl is there, that doesn't mean I can't talk about it.
Okay, okay.
But I can't do it.
Wait. Let me see. I'm coming now. You don't have a wife.
No, one for you.
You I know you can't stay without her.
One for you.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Who is winning? Hey, honey, you don't allow her to win you, okay?
How can I? Can I lose to this novice? Besides, I know Prince Kanu will not leave his business to teach her how to play.
We shall see.
This guy now, he's going to see his girl. If I don't go and see my own, it will be like, you know.
Okay, that means I'll take my leave to see my girlfriend outside.
Which girlfriend? The third one.
That's not your business. Come on. Okay, let me join you people too.
You see?
Okay. I hope she's not winning me.
Who? But you know, now when I play, I don't talk much. I've already told her that wives of doctors can never stand wives of businessmen in any kind of contest.
So this is a game between the first ladies of doctors and those of businessmen. I wish I'm married.
Bros, you need to on a more serious note.
You need to, man.
Very soon.
I can't play again.
Why? Are you scared that I will win you? Play on.
Honey, what is it?
God. Stomach is winning me. Ah!
What did anything happen?
No.
What is it?
Honey.
My stomach is aching me.
Where?
I don't know. My stomach is aching me.
Jimmy! Collins!
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. She said her belly is aching her.
Is it the drink?
We all took the same drink now, didn't we?
Eno, what did you eat?
I don't know.
We all ate together. Please, Eno, what is it?
Doctor, you have to do something.
Doctor, let's take her to the hospital.
No. Let me just examine her right first. Don't worry, she's okay.
But she's still...
Just give us. Okay?
Does she need drugs or something?
I don't mind, you're pregnant.
What?
Yeah, pregnant.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Greetings, Your Highness. The Omeroha One of Ututu community. You made the widows and the less privileged to forget their misery through your wealth and wisdom. Your justice is an indication of your wealth and long life. You conquered the entire Okpokoro community with only 3 warriors, yes. But, Igwe, you stay and eat while the entire community is
Ebu pay, mouth of the gods. What is the problem? Speak to me in the tongues of men. What danger lurks within this community? Tell me, are the Okpokoro, Ochez and Bagudu, and all the other surrounding villages being rebellious again? Tell me so that I will tell them that my middle name is bravery. Tell me so that I will tell them that I'm still Agada, Ishele, Omeroha, Ebedike, Ubaka one of Ututu community. Ebube, mouth of the gods. What is the problem?
Igwe, Let the only heir to the throne tread carefully. Let him tread carefully. And there is danger lurking. The gods have spoken. Igwe.
Kano Wamazi to tread carefully. Kano to tread carefully. I'll make arrangements to send for him.
Igwe.
Angel. Angel, get up. Get up, we need to talk.
What is it? Are you not asleep?
No, I'm not. I couldn't sleep.
Why? Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Honey, what is wrong with you? Why did you vomit?
Oh, that. It's sickness, you know. While I was playing, my stomach started biting me. I guess it's dirty.
Do you want me to believe it's ordinary sickness?
Honey, please, let's go to bed. It's late. Just...
Honey, I'm worried about you, okay? Now, if it's ordinary sickness, then why don't we just go to the hospital and have a test? Listen, I love you and I don't want anything to happen to you.
Sweetie, I've told you. It's just sickness. Or are you suspecting anything?
Yes, I am. Honey, you're pregnant. How old is the pregnancy?
It's 3 months.
Jesus Christ. 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
You've been pregnant all this while and you never bothered to tell me? I mean, what is wrong with you? Do you want to kill me? Huh? God.
If this business is genuine and becomes successful, boy, hey, I'll resign as a medical doctor.
Kano said the man promised coming with the documents. If we see the legal documents, we can invest in the business and make some profits.
Better. Well, however, let's wait until Kano comes then.
Oh damn. Sorry guys. Sorry for keeping me waiting.
The prince.
Alright, bro. Damn. Bro. The man just disappeared into thin air. Just like that.
I noticed it. Immediately that man knew that I'm a lawyer, his antics failed him. Anyway, that's by the way. How about Eno?
Eno. She's my major problem right now.
How do you mean? Is she still vomiting?
No, it's not that. She's okay. Eno wants to put me in a family way. She wants me to become a father when I'm not ready for that yet. I mean, she wants to ruin my life for God's sake. Can you imagine that?
Kano, are you afraid of that? At your age, you are afraid of becoming a father. Look at you.
Look, I knew you guys were going to make fun of me, but that is not the issue. It's not about becoming a father. It's
Anyway, look, Kano, let me tell you. There's nothing wrong about this. All right? I know you love Eno wholeheartedly. And you promised to marry her. And so she has lived with you for some time and there's a clear indication that you even want to introduce her to your parents. But I don't see anything abominable if she's pregnant for you.
Guys, we've been friends for a long time now. And you guys know a lot about me. But there is much more that you do not know about my home, my family, my background. I love Eno, yes. And I swore that nothing will ever be able to separate us. But I'm upset right now. This is not just a matter of ordinary pregnancy. There are some crucial issues involved in this that I really cannot discuss here, okay? Let me just get a bottle of drink. What are you guys doing? Okay.
I wonder what his background has to do with his relationship with Eno.
See who is talking. Are you not older than us here? You're supposed to even get married and have kids, huh?
Don't worry. I'm not scared of women. I'll get married very soon.
Don't worry.
Old school. Have you switched to Star again? I thought it was Golden.
This is part of the problem that Eno causes. I believe Star is more alcoholic and I hate it right now.
Why give me a break?
The prince himself. Take it cool, okay? Everything will be alright.
You're welcome. Come on.
Yes.
What is happening to us? What have I done to deserve all this? You don't even answer me anymore. You don't even talk to me. What happened to all our promises?
I should ask you that. I mean, why are you doing this to me? Huh? I mean, you're 3 months pregnant and you never even bothered to tell me? How can we have a child when I haven't even paid for your dowry?
It doesn't matter as long as...
What doesn't matter? Let me tell you, this one matters. Because I will not forfeit my inheritance. I will not forfeit my birthright, okay? No way!
Please hold yourself. Put yourself together, okay? God, I don't understand all this. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't know why you should feel bad because I'm pregnant for you. After all, you promised you'll marry me. Everybody thinks you're already married. What is your birthright? What is your inheritance?
Where's the one of Otutu? We greet you.
Igwemba, is anything the matter?
His Royal Majesty Eze Omeraha, your father, wants you to come home. He says it is urgent. Very, very urgent.
So urgent that I cannot tidy up my house before I go?
My prince, His Royal Highness sent us on this errand. He gave us this message for you. Please, I wish you could come with us.
Now please go back and tell my father that I'm coming back on Thursday. Now leave.
My prince, I beg of you, please.
Are you dead? I said Thursday. Now go!
Who are those men?
Oh, they are just messengers from my father. Can you imagine they wanted me to come back to the village now?
Are you sure nothing is wrong?
There's no problem, sweetheart. No. Now go back inside. I'll see you when I get back from work.
All right. Have a nice day at work, okay?
Kanu, we are here to know why you should be disorganized. Is it because Eno, whom you promised to get married to, got pregnant for you? Did you catch her with any other man? Nor see her in any shameful act?
Besides, this has affected everything we share in common as friends. You no longer answer our calls as usual. You make frequent mistakes in your business transaction. Okay. Look at what happened yesterday on our way back from the party. You almost knocked down an innocent girl. As a result of what? Loss in concentration. Come on, Kanu. Remember, when the eye cries, the nose follows suit. What are those crucial matters we didn't discuss last time? Let's discuss them now.
That's why we're here.
Some of the much you know about me is my behavior and the fact that I'm a crown prince. Jimmy, you're from Owerri.
Yeah.
I'm an Arochukwu man. There is no way you can know anything about my family until I tell you, or you get the information from a reliable source.
Well, you're right. It's true.
Okay. I know we have different cultural values. Please, tell us more about yourself, your family and your village.
My father is the king of Ututu community. My great-grandfather was the first to wear that crown in our community. And after him, my father's grandfather, till it was my father's turn. If my father dies, I will become the next king of Ututu community.
That's what we call monarchical system of government.
Yes. But my community has laws governing it.
So what are the laws?
One of the laws is that I, Kanu, the crown prince of Ututu community, must not impregnate any woman before she legally becomes my wife. Now, it doesn't stop me or prohibit me from having affairs with women. But when the relationship is with marriage in view, then I must present that woman to my father so that necessary rites can be performed. And I cannot present an already pregnant woman to my father as my wife to be. That will automatically disqualify my birthright. And when the crown leaves my family, it will never return. That is what the enemies of my family have been praying for. And I do not want them to use Eno to attain that goal, to disqualify me, to make me lose my future and my heritage. No, I will not.
Collins, this is real a great issue.
Yeah, a crucial matter indeed. A crucial one.
But I strongly believe that every problem must have a remedy. If you really love her, Kanu, you must do something about it.
Good then, so what do you think is the remedy?
Look, Kanu, if you still want to marry her, let her take to abortion.
Abortion? My profession is against abortion. If you can't think of a better solution, then count me out. Look, I'm leaving. Don't listen to Jenny. Good day.
Let him go. Abortion is the only solution.
What exactly is the cause of his annoyance? Is it that you didn't let him know on time, or that you allowed yourself to get pregnant?
My sister, I don't know. I don't seem to understand. I have asked God why it is that when I do what every other person does, mine turns out differently.
You know, don't talk like that, okay? It'll be fine.
I don't understand. I really don't understand. I try to prove to my fiancé that I am fertile. What every other woman would do before marriage. What do I get? Embarrassment, insult, neglect from the man that I cherish. God.
Okay. That's not something you should be embittered about. I know he strongly loves you. Okay? The only thing he can do, which is common, is to tell you to go for an abortion.
God, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Ah, Prince. You're welcome.
Ah, Chioma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hello, Angel. How are you today?
I'm fine. Remember what I told you. If he insists and you know you still love him, just terminate the pregnancy, okay? It's okay. See me off.
You know I love you. And I've forgiven a lot of wrongs because of the love I have for you. But this time, you've wronged me to my bones.
Daddy, please forgive me. I know I have wronged you, but believe me, I never meant to hurt you. Please.
It's all right.
Please.
It's okay. The love I have for you will ignore a multitude of sins. So please, clean your eyes and stop crying. Everything will be back the way it was before.
You think so?
I know so. Here. Take this one. Go to anywhere of your choice and get the best means of taking out this pregnancy.
No. I can't do it, God. I will die.
Nothing will happen to you. Nothing. You'll be safe.
I will die the moment I try it. I can't do it.
Why do you wish death upon yourself? What makes you think you'll die? Huh? All right. Would you rather kill me? Would you rather destroy my family? Do you want to destroy my future? Now listen, I will not let you do that. I'm not.
God, why me? Why me?
So how is the Prince of Harochukwu coping with the office?
Hey, so, Bruce. But there's fire on the mouth.
What is it? Any problem again?
Eno has refused to abort the pregnancy. I mean, she insists that if she tries it, she'll die in the process. I've tried to make her see reasons, but she doesn't want to listen to me.
She will not die. That's what every reasonable girl will do. But don't worry, there's no problem. There's still a way out.
Where is the way out of this dungeon that I've put myself into? I mean, I'm so confused.
You see, Kanu, you have to drug Eno. You have to drug her so that we can take her unconsciously for an abortion. And nobody must hear about this. I repeat, nobody must hear about this.
That's a fine one. See, that is why I like confiding in you. If it was Collins now, he wouldn't be able to help in a situation like this. Look, thank you very much.
Come on, what are friends for?
Thank you very much. Yes.
No problem. We have to fix an appointment with a doctor.
Yes.
I know a good one.
Yes. That's. I like that. You know, I'll call my secretary and find out how tight my schedule is. Then we can fix an appointment for it. I'll do that. Meanwhile, would you like a drink or something? You know, I have one of the best drinks here.
You can get me water.
Now, what are you doing with water? I'll get you. I know you like brandy.
Hey, Doc. Meet my friend Kanu. Dr. Ken.
Pleased to meet you.
My secondary school friend. You won't believe it, we fought over one Amarachi then.
See, Amarachi was my girlfriend before you snatched her away from me.
Hey, come on, don't mind him. He likes women a lot. Well, that's by the way. He's the person I told you about.
Kano, I understand your plight. Jimmy and I talked on the phone. But what you're asking me to do is risky. But it all depends if you can pay.
Money is not a problem. What I need is a clean deal.
Then we have a deal.
Thank you very much.
Darling, I can't wait to eat this delicious food you've been preparing.
Yeah, and it's ready now. So let's get it done with.
This is delicious. It's one of your best.
Well, thanks for the compliment.
Oh God, I forgot. Darling, could you please go upstairs and get my phone? I'm expecting a very important call.
Must it be now that we're eating?
I'm sorry, sweetheart, I forgot.
Okay.
You know, once I start eating your food, I just can't get up from the table. You know that. It's one of your best yet.
Really? That's what you see. Today, I'm feeling drowsy, you know? Like I want to go to sleep or something.
I understand. It's the pregnancy. It affects some women that way. Why don't you go to the city and just, relax for a while? Then you can come back to your food. Alright?
Adam? Madam's.
What?
Doctor, what is it?
So you plan to kill Mikano, or whatever you call yourself?
How? I don't understand.
Can't you see this mark on the lap?
Yes.
That is a tribal mark. It indicates the protection of the gods. Anybody that rapes her or tries to force her to abortion dies. It killed a senior colleague of mine last year after aborting a baby from a girl with such mark.
Doctor, what do I do now?
Please, take her out of here now before I do something drastic.
What am I going to do to salvage this situation? I don't understand what is happening to me. Eno never told me those tribal marks are for protection. Will I tell her that I drugged her to force her to abort the baby? No, that's impossible. What about my inheritance? What about my father, Ezemusu? My God, what? Your Highness. Yes, Father, I'm fine. I'm sorry I couldn't make it on Thursday as promised. I had pressure from the office, yes. Yeah, definitely, sir. I'll come in tomorrow. I will, sir. Yes, Your Highness.
Who was that?
My father wants to see me.
You're welcome, my son.
Prince, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now, I want you all to listen very well. The dream is an ominous one. If this crown leaves this family, it won't come back. And that will pose a big blow on the future of this family. Our enemies will trample on us.
The Almighty God will not allow evil.
Never!
We should all be very careful. I have no fear about my wives and the daughters. But every one of you should be careful in what he does or says. Kanwamazi, you are the only eye of this family. The great priest, Ebube, mouth of the gods, foresees danger. He says you should tread carefully. My son, I know you won't let us down.
I'll be careful, Your Highness.
Good. You're welcome, my son. Come inside.
Prince, my son. You're welcome.
She said I'm not fine. Dara, baby, don't mind Ijoma. She was only teasing you. Is it true?
You're the most beautiful woman in this palace.
So I'm beautiful, eh? So you don't know? So I'm beautiful. Of course. Dara. Dara, please sing for us.
And tell her the story of Shakalaka Bango, share.
Yeah. No, it's a sad story. I will not tell you the story. Okay, I will sing the song.
Dara, please sing for us.
Okay, I will sing.
SHOKOLOKOBANGO Shakalaka Shay.
Again. SHOKOLOKOBANGO Shakalaka Bango Shay.
Again.
SHOKOLOKOBANGO Shakalaka Bango Shay.
Again.
Shakalaka Bango Shay.
Our brother, the crown prince of Ututuland. May you live long.
Thank you, my sisters. How are you all?
We are fine.
Dora, the beautiful one. How are you today?
Mama, I'm fine. The crown prince of Ututuland. See, the gods are hungry. Oh.
The gods are hungry, huh?
The gods are hungry.
Alright, now use this. Use this to eat, okay?
You see, the village lunatic. He said his name is Odimbe. Yes, he did not kill Metelewa. He did not kill Metelewa. He did not kill. See, he did not kill Metelewa. He did not kill him. I'm sorry. The ghost must not kill. He did not kill Metelewa. He did not kill him. He did not kill him. I'm going there. I will take him. He did not kill you.
My sisters, let us go and see mother.
My son, I know you. As a mother, I can smell and feel your problems and confusion. Tell me, what is the problem?
Mama, there is no problem. I am all right. Everything is okay.
Haven't you heard of a woman instinct? I know that you are all right, but something tells me you are having emotional problems. My son, you can't hide it from me. Tell me, who is this maiden?
Her name is Eno. But there's nothing to worry about. I'm okay. Everything is all right.
Okay. I hope so.
Don't just hope so. I said so. Everything is all right. There's nothing to worry about. Meanwhile, I'll be going back tomorrow. I'm going back to Lagos tomorrow.
Okay, let me go and prepare your food.
Honey, midway into the surgery, the patient developed complication. The complication was so serious that I had to invite my other colleagues. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, I lost the patient.
God.
It's one of those things, I know.
Yes, come in. The door is open.
Hey! The dog himself. The dog himself.
Our only learned gentleman.
That is what it is.
Boy, how is your day?
As you can see, we're all okay.
Oh, yeah?
See, how are you?
I'm fine.
Always looking fine. Always looking fine. I can see my friend is taking good care of you.
He has no choice.
So, Jimmy, who is this damsel with you?
Oh. Ego is my fiancé. Ego meet Collins, a very close friend of mine, and his elegant wife, Chayoma.
Really nice to meet you. Yeah, same here.
So why don't you guys just sit down?
Thank you.
Comfortable.
Yeah, baby.
Hey! So, Jimmy, have you heard from Kanu?
Kanu, the prince.
Yeah, the prince.
The last I heard of him is that he traveled to the village to see the father. I believe he'll be back today.
Enough of that kind of stuff now. Ego, what do I offer you before Jimmy thinks I'm a bad one?
Nothing really. I'm okay. Jimmy.
Okay. A bottle of wine will be okay first.
A bottle of wine.
Yeah. Yeah. So, like, what we were discussing about Prince the other day, it's very important we do something serious about it. I know. Because of this girl, Eno. We must have to help him.
Kanu.
Yes, what is it?
Then what have I done to you? Why are you treating me like this? Is it because I am pregnant for the man I love and is asking me to abort it, which I have refused? Don't you know that if I abort this baby that I'm going to die?
What makes you so sure that when you abort this pregnancy, you will die? And what is the meaning of that mark on your lap?
You have never asked me this question before. But since you have asked, I'll tell you.
Good. Sit down and tell me.
This is my secret. Please promise me you're not going to tell anyone.
I promise that I will not tell anyone your secret. I will not expose you. Now, will you sit down and tell me your story?
My mother was a traditional midwife. Oh, there was no pregnancy that was too difficult for her to handle. She was known in Oron by local government and beyond. But she made all her money from abortions.
Abortion? How? I mean, why?
So how much do you have?
I have only 4,000 naira.
Only 4,000 naira. Don't you know that it is very delicate to abort a pregnancy at 4 months? Look, if you don't have 8,000, you better go elsewhere and get rid of it.
You mean you cannot help me?
Are you a woman?
Yes, ma'am.
Your own pregnancy is 3 months. Since your husband is not responsible, you will bring 6,000. Are you people ready to pay?
Is it not too much?
Please, Mamelo, take 2,000.
I can see people are not ready to pay.
Please,
Mamelo.
Mamelo.
I will pay.
Please, we'll pay.
Okay, give me the money. Woman, sit down. Come with me.
It is a known fact that you are encouraging these girls to be committing more atrocities in this community by aborting their babies.
Look at me. My hands are clean. I don't know anything about what you're talking about.
Yes, you don't know anything about it. Why they have polluted this land with blood? Look, Ekaino, if you don't stop it, you will regret it.
Akan.
Yes.
Akan.
Yes.
I can see you are very jealous of my prosperity and progress in this town.
Myself is jealous.
And you are not happy about the new house I've built and the other one I'm about completing.
Which house?
You're not ashamed
Which house
at
have you
your
built?
age. An old man at your age, have you achieved what I've achieved?
Who is ashamed of himself?
Look at this chair.
Mind your speech.
Look at it.
Mind your tongue.
Take of chairs. I should give you a kitchen chair to sit on when you come to my house.
You are stupid. I think you are stupid, Ekaino.
Leave her alone.
Allow me to tell her what she is.
Take this man to a psychiatrist.
We should not quarrel over this.
Whom are you referring to?
The jungle that does not want basket should not grow mushroom. The tortoise did not build a house, but he lives in one. The goddess of childbearing. The goddess of childbearing is angry. Blood. Innocent blood. The numbers of abortion you added are so many. You will die. You will die. And the sins of the fathers will be visited on their children. Your children will die. Unless
what? Is there no remedy? Please, wise one, spare the lives of my late brother's children because they are innocent. Mbo.
Then they will take the oath and the tribal protective mark. After that, they will die if they commit abortion. And nobody will force them to do it.
They will take the oath. They will, wise one.
So we all took the oath to save our lives. But my mother died. And so did my younger sister and my elder sister. They died 2 and 4 years ago, respectively, because they had broken the oath.
How?
Because they were jilted by a man that promised to marry them, just like you are about doing to me now. You want me to abort this pregnancy and die? Is that what you want? Oh, God, help me.
I know. It's not the will of God that you become my wife.
Come on, please. Please, you can't do this to me, Kana, please. I don't have anywhere else to go, please. Kana, take me and you all just please.
Sit down.
Okay.
It is my will and desire to marry you and make you the happiest woman as far as marriage is concerned. You know I love you a whole lot. But recent events have begun to show me that it is not the will of God and the gods that our dreams and plans become reality.
How? Why?
It is the law of my land that I cannot present a woman that I have already impregnated to my father and the elders as my intended wife.
For why? Huh? See, lots of intending couples, they do this just to prove their fertility. So why is your one different?
That will disqualify me as heir to the throne. Don't you understand? It will deny my family the crown forever. My forefathers have kept that crown till this time, and I cannot be the one to lose it. Now I have to make a choice. It's either I accept the baby and destroy my family's pride and royalty, or I make you abort the baby and die. That is my dilemma.
What if happening to a love? What if happening to a dream? The promises we made to each other. God give me your heart. What is happening to a love? What is happening to a dream? The promises we made to each other.
Excuse me, sir. There's a lot of mistakes in the proposal for the Crisco engineering.
What mistakes are you talking about? Please just leave me alone. Get out of my office, please.
Sorry, sir. But sir, I just feel that such mistakes, if not properly taken care of, will affect the reputation of this company.
What mistakes are you talking about?
There are a lot of grammatical errors. Besides, the statement of account is incomplete.
I can't believe I made such mistakes.
Sir, I observed that you've not been yourself lately. If I may ask, do you have some emotional problems?
Something like that. But I'll get back to myself soon. Just go back to your office, okay?
Yes, sir.
And help me correct those mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Honey, I'll be going over to Jim's place. I'll be back in. Huh? Please, we can sort this out with God on our side. I don't like to see you cry, and you know that. Please, we can sort this out, okay? It will be over in a matter of time. Hello, Dad. Yes, Father. I'm all right, Father. What? You want me to be at home by Sunday? Dad, isn't this too sudden? Yes, Dad. Look, can't we shift this to... All right, Dad. I'll be there by Saturday at the latest. All right.
What do they want from us this time? What do they want this time?
Just take it easy, okay? I don't know.
Can they just leave us to our own face? Can they leave us alone?
Darling, just take it easy. Let me just go back to Jimmy's face.
Wow. It's a hectic day.
Jimmy.
What is it?
You know what? I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I'm a survivor. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor.
Why are you sounding so happy?
Of course, beating you in a game of tennis for the first time gives me so much joy.
You can say that again.
Yeah. You know what? I'm going to call Eno and Choma and tell them the good news.
You see your life. Hey, Ami, but don't try it. Honey, don't try. Hey, come on. Stop. Stop.
Will you be embarrassed?
Stop.
Good.
Hey. Come on, stop that.
I can see you're getting the best of life.
You're welcome.
Well, you know, all work and no play does not only make Jack a dull boy.
Yeah, makes him sick too.
Honey,
Yeah.
just go in there and prepare a very good meal, okay?
Okay. I'll be back with the food in a couple of
All right.
minutes.
Be fast about it.
All right.
Hey, boy! I'm going to call the prince. How is Emma?
Bro, there is fire on the mountain.
How do you mean?
I don't think it's the will of God for me to marry Eno. I love this girl, yes. And I thought I found someone worth marrying. But now I see I'm making a very big mistake.
What is it again?
Jimmy, you don't know the amount of pressure that I've been getting from my family, from my office, and even from my own home. I mean, I just feel like abandoning everything and just abandoning my responsibilities and absconding. That's what I feel like.
Is that all about Eno?
Eno's issue is not what I came here to talk about. This time it's my father. My father called me last night and asked me, no, demanded that I appear before him by Sunday.
Sunday. So when are you planning to travel and see him?
It has to be tomorrow. It has to be, because I need to end all this brouhaha once and for all.
You see, Prince, just take everything easy. Just take it easy. Everything will be alright, okay? So what do I offer you before she'll be through with the meal?
Have you got a bottle of very strong whiskey?
Whiskey. Are you drinking whiskey because of your problem or because of Eno?
No, I just need a drink, that's all.
I will get you wine.
Wine, eh?
Yeah, that will be okay.
And that should be about 3 bottles of
Ah, the Prince.
Thank you. Could you please come over here? We need to talk. Angel, I'm confused. The situation, as you can see clearly, is trying and very painful. I mean, what do we do? How do we get out of this?
The mistake has already been made. And I'm being blamed partly for it. I did it because I felt you'll be happy. You know? Seeing me pregnant before you take me to meet with your parents. You know, most men are, often doubt the fertility of the women they're about getting married to. But I never knew. I never knew the traditions of your people. It wouldn't be wise for you to lose your birthright because of me. I won't even be happy to see it happen. But the truth of the matter is that, God, I don't know what my life would look like without you. I don't know.
Still crying. You've cried a lot. I have to. In the way the man should, in my heart. I love you a lot, and you know that. It's just that the gravity of the situation we find ourselves in is tremendous. It's too much. But we have to stop crying. It can't help us, you know that.
Let me cry. Let me cry. That's the only thing that relieves me.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Darling, I'll have to travel tomorrow to see my family. I'm going with the first flight. I hope you don't mind.
Doro, what again? What do you want?
Look at you. You see, look at you. Look at you. Do you think you are the only warrior in this town? You're not, though. Me, I'm a warrior. Yes. I'm a warrior now, you see. I'm a warrior. See, that is why, you know now, my name is Kamwagada, and that is why they call me Doro the Faceless One. See, in other places they call Igbo. They call chief. Even, let me greet you first.
How are you?
Igwe, I'm fine.
I heard your voice.
Yes, Igwe, it's me. I'm fine. I'm fine. You see, Igwe, today, I will change your name. I will change your name. You know what, as Igwe was, you are now a Bekodike or that one of Ututu. Yes. Igwe, that is. See, Igwe, I'm not mad.
No. Who said you're mad?
I'm not mad, Igwe, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. You're not mad. Mama will come now. Yes. I see him. He will come. He's on this. Your throat, the crown priest, the throat. He's coming. He's on the way. But Igwe, you tell him to be careful, oh. Igwe, see. Am I seeing vision? No. My eyes are quite clear. See, I see very clearly. But see, Igwe, see now, see. Is this mistake? See. Okay. It's not a mistake, Igwe. It's corrected, Igwe. Yes, it's corrected. Tell Mama Z. Mama Z should be very careful, Igwe, because you know. Yes, tell Mama Z. You can tell Mama Z. Tell him all.
My subject.
See, I even hope somebody will take in for me. If any of these girls take in for me, I'll just go and marry the person.
But are you really sure you want to get married? Are you ready?
Come on,
Yeah?
The only son of the great king of Ototo land, who says the crown will not fit you when it comes upon your head.
The mouth that ever says that shall rot. May you live long,
O Prince of Ototo land.
Thank you, my friends. Thank you.
Baby, your countenance is so sad. Come on, cheer up, okay? He will soon be back, right? Okay. Let's go and drop it.
I shall not exceed 4 days, no matter the situation. All right?
Okay. Are the three of you going traveling to the village together?
No, they will only drop me at the airport and go there.
Take care of yourself. Have a very safe trip. He will not lose an inheritance because of me. And I will not commit abortion because of him.
Your love is driving me crazy.
Food is ready.
Now I have tasted all your dishes. And I will now announce the result of the most delicious dish And the most delicious dish is that from No. I'd want each and every one of you to guess which of you has the most delicious dish. Now, guess.
Your Highness, it's Uloma's food.
Uloma? Yeah. No, it is not.
Your Highness, it's Nkoma's food.
Nkoma? No, it is not. No, it's not.
It is Ugodia's own.
Ugodia? No, it is not Ugodia.
Your Highness, is it mine?
No? So now let me announce the results. All the dishes are delicious. So I want you to applaud yourselves.
Welcome home, the Crown Prince of Ututuland. Oh, Mekania, the true son of his father.
Kano, my son, is back.
Oh, Bajodoro, Mwakoma.
Kano, my son. Come in, my son. Come in.
Ugo Kugo. Ugo Kugo.
Come in, my son. Come in. Come in. Come in.
That's my son.
A true son of his father responds to the father's call.
Your Highness, I greet you.
You're welcome, my son.
Our prince, you are welcome.
Welcome, Prince.
You're welcome. How's your work and how's your health?
There is no problem, Father.
Good. I know that Amadioha never fails to guide and protect his own. My son, I am very glad at the way you responded to my urgent call. It puts pride and happiness into my heart.
Your Highness, I can never let you down.
You're welcome. I sent for you to warn you to be careful in the city, especially with women. Nobody is stopping you from having affairs with women, but remember the law as it concerns the throne and your wife to be.
Father, Your Highness, I knew these laws even as a child.
Good.
And I will do my best to obey them.
You are a true son of your father. Yes. Thank you, my son. Lest I forget, I will take you to Ebube, the great chief priest, to strengthen you more as a man. Yes. He will give you something to protect you from the dangers of premature death, malicious illness, and even death from gunshot wounds. Yes. That's why I asked you to come.
No, I have to unpack my bag. Let me just take a taste of your...
That's my son.
You're welcome, my son.
You're welcome.
You're
Father,
welcome.
let me unpack. Right back.
You're welcome. So where were we?
Give me your happening to a love.
O God Most High, the creator of heaven and earth, there is nothing hidden under this earth from you. God, Kanu is a man after my heart. He has been like a father to me. He's been like a sister. He's been like a mother. He's been like a brother to me. God, he never told me everything about his family and his kingship. If he had done, I wouldn't have made this kind of mistake. Lord, I thought that if I get pregnant for him, that he was going to love me even more. God, but at last, I've been foolish. God, I don't want to commit an abortion and die. And I don't want him to lose an inheritance. God, please, save us from this trouble. In Jesus' name I have prayed. Amen.
Dora, the beautiful one. So how are you today?
Don't pass by my right too.
Now listen, Dora, I've just come from a trip and I think I should have something for you. Yes, here. Very good. Now here. Go on, take it. Dora.
Don't pass by my right. Don't pass by my right. The gods forbid it. The gods forbid it, yes. See, always pass by my left. The gods approve.
I see.
Mama's will be visiting a mother today. I like Mama's.
You do?
Yes, I like Mama's. He gives me money anytime he comes in from the city.
Yeah, but I've just done the same thing too.
But don't pass by my right.
Okay. Dora.
Don't pass by my right. Dararan the people don't color. Everybody run the village don't color. Dararan the people don't color. Everybody run the people don't color. Dararan the people don't color. See, what's your run?
Madness indeed has many colors.
Dararan the people don't color. See, what's your run? What's it on? Dararan the people don't color.
Mbano, she's not your wife. She's not your wife. She's already defiled. Her womb had a child. That's why the gods are annoyed. Mamazi, that lady lying on your bed is not your wife, though she's carrying a baby for you.
What are we talking about? What woman? Kano? Open up my warnings to you. Eh?
Don't worry, Zinwozu. As long as I'm alive, Ayebube, mouth of the gods, that throne will never depart from your stead. My boy, that is the pot of cleansing. Wash your hands and your face with it now. You have now severed all relationship with Eno.
How did you know about Eno?
The gods see and know everything. Now, when you get back to the city, tell her to live gently. Don't fight with her. Don't beat her. Don't quarrel with her. Give her whatever you can so that she will live in peace. And once she leaves, you will not visit her. She should not visit you. All relationship with her now severed.
Everywhere out of the gods. See why I thought it was very important that I be here myself? I wouldn't have known all this. Now, you have had him. Make sure that you do everything as he said.
But no buts! If you play pranks with the gods, you will die.
Can I go now?
Naban.
Hi, honey. How are you?
You're welcome.
Oh my God. You're looking so tired, worn out, and restless. What's the problem?
What do you expect me to do when you've not been staying in this house for more than 3 weeks now? I need to see my husband. Touch him. Feel him. Honey, I'm not a log of wood. I'm a woman with feelings.
I know, Choma, I know. You see, it is not easy trying to help humanity. It's not. The emergency ward today was a beehive. I just managed to escape. Look, I'm sorry, okay?
Okay. Well, I'm happy you're here now. So I'll get you lunch.
I'm not hungry. I'm filled already.
You're not?
I'm not. Hey, you know what? We'll go inside and I'll make it up to you.
Okay.
All right?
Right now?
No, of course. Can't wait till 9, sweetheart. After you leave. Oh, let's go. All right. Let's get yeah. Oh, my baby. You gotta really make it up to you, okay? All right. How is it? Nurse, yeah? What's the problem? What? Complications? I just finished treating that lady now. Okay. You just take her to the emergency ward, alright? Okay. I'll be with you in a jiffy. Thank you. Honey. I'm very sorry. I have a patient that is at the point of death. Just let me attend to her, okay? I'll be with you.
You're not going anywhere. Look, before you leave, you first of all attend to me. I'm the first emergency patient to be attended to, okay?
Look, honey, look, I am very, very sorry, okay? I know how you feel, but I'll make it up to you. All right? I'll pass my go, okay?
Don't forget what Ebube said you should do. It is important for this family and the community as a whole.
I will do it, Father. Although it is difficult.
My son, you have to be strong and intelligent. If you're not strong and intelligent, you'll be able to lead others. So be strong. I'm late for the meeting. I better let me drop you at the airport.
Bye-bye, my crown prince.
Of a prince of Ututu community. Is that clear?
Yes.
Darkness has taken over my day. Sadness has overtaken my joy. Vultures perch on my bed, waiting for my body to feed on. Yet, I'm still alive. These vultures wait to devour my body, just like they did to my sisters. They think this is now my turn. Try abortion! You are gone forever. That is our inheritance. This is our inheritance from our mother. God's inheritance! Inheritance of death! God's inheritance! His curse shall never prevail on me! It shall not prevail on me! I shall overcome this inheritance! I shall overcome this curse! Look! Take a look! Look at Scarno's inheritance! Inheritance without much! Inheritance without much! God! God!
How can I start carrying out this uneasy task? How do I tell her not to leave my house? I love her so much. I can't just stand here, fold my hands and watch her leave my house. I can't stand the pain of our departure. said that if I don't obey those instructions, I will die. But I will not die! No! I will not die! I will not die!
Sweetheart, are you okay? What's the problem? Who are you talking with? Are you okay?
I was just...
It's okay. Don't worry yourself. Come on, join me in the kitchen, okay? We'll talk about it later.
Honey, hurry up! I'm waiting to see you.
Yeah.
Wow! That's my angel.
What do you have to say?
Honey, you're looking so gorgeous.
Really?
Hey,
Thank
come
you.
on, turn around. Turn around. Wow, this is very sweet. Honey, now tell me.
Yes.
Who dances better? Me or you?
Already scared? Me, of course. Honey, you know you're an awful dancer. But don't worry, I'll teach you a few steps. And by the time I'm through with you, we're heading for the competition.
Hey, honey, this is very sweet. Come on. Wow. You see, we have to call Auntie Sophia, my auntie, to thank her for this wonderful gift. Just because I told her I'm engaged, she's already sending us a wedding gift.
Your Auntie Sophia wants you to settle down soon.
How soon? There you go.
Very soon.
Hey, honey, this is nice. Come on. Wow.
Honey, anyone who enters this place will quickly see the worry and the anxiety and the stress written all over us. Just take a look at me. I can't even concentrate and work in my office. But I want you to understand one thing. This problem is not just yours. It's our plight, you and I. We're the one facing it, not just you. Now, the love I have for you is one that I cannot break, but my people and the gods of my land, they want me to break it by all means.
Kanu, they have sent you to come and send me away. Where do I go from here? Don't have anywhere else to go.
Angel, please stop crying. Wipe your tears. Come on. Listen, your crying cannot get us anywhere. Let us try and find a solution to this problem once and for all. Your tears, they destroy me. Please wipe them, please.
God. Where do they want me to go from here? I don't have anywhere to go to. My parents are dead. My sisters are all gone. My aunt will not even accept me with this pregnancy. God, please. You're the only man I have known all my life. You picked me up from the gutters and you clothed me. You fed me and you gave me hope. Where do you want me to go from here? What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment? God, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
Please, stop crying. Listen to me. Just listen to me. The gods of my land are angry with me and my entire family. They say that Ebube, the chief priest, says that the only way for me to appease the gods is for me to come back here and survive this relationship as soon as possible. But it hurts me to do that. It hurts me to send you away. It will hurt me more to see you walk away from me, my life. But I have an idea. So please wipe your tears and pull yourself together. Okay?
So
things like this happen in this satanic and crazy world like this. Okay?
Okay. What's your idea?
Sit down. I'll give you 1.5 million naira. You can go to any city of your choice and establish yourself.
Kanu! You want to pay me in exchange for the love I have for you? Oh God! How did I get myself into this kind of mess, God? Kanu, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten how we met? Have you forgotten so soon our promises? The dreams? Okay. Let me remind you, if you have forgotten. If you have forgotten how we met.
What are you doing here by this time of the night? Do you need help? Hey, yeah, you're crying. Is something wrong? Do you need help? You can't just stay here by this time of the night. It's a very dangerous neighborhood. Okay, you know what? Why don't you come with me? Huh? Why don't you come with me and I'll take care of you? Okay? Let me take you home. I'll take care of you. Alright? Come on, stop crying, please. Stop crying. Come on, let me take you. Welcome to my humble abode. You can sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
My name is Kami. What's yours?
My name is Eno. Enobo.
Enobo. Where are you from?
Cross River State, Calabar.
Well, it doesn't really matter where you're from. I'll take care of you. You can stay here until you can find a place to stay. Alright?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's alright. So, let me show you your room. Hello, Angel. How are you?
I am not Angel. My name is Eno. Call me Eno.
Alright, sorry, my bad. Hello, Eno. How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright. I got this for you. It's for lunch. Is something wrong?
No, nothing is wrong. It's just that I don't really like eating fast food meals. I prefer to eat the meals that I cook. Don't you have cooking utensils in your kitchen?
I do, but unfortunately I don't know how to cook and I don't have anybody to cook with them.
Okay, I'll do the cooking if you don't mind. At least that will save you a whole lot of money.
You have a point there. So are you such a good cook, as in can you cook anything?
I'll let you be the judge of that. Thank you all the same.
It's alright, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
now on, I'll call you my angel.
And I'll call you my love.
Alright. Now, can my angel do me one favor?
Anything for you, I will do.
Close your eyes. I have a surprise package for you.
A surprise package for me? Okay. You want me to close my eyes, right?
Yes.
They are closed already.
Now bring out your hands. You can now open your eyes.
You want to marry me?
Yes.
I'm so happy.
What?
I'm sorry. I can't.
Why?
I don't have anybody. Look for some more sophisticated girl to get married to.
I don't need sophistication. You have a class of your own. Look, I know you're an orphan. I'll be your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, anything. Because I love you and I will marry you. So I'm going to give you something that money cannot buy. And that is my love, my heart, and my soul. Nothing can separate us. Okay?
Thank you.
So, let's drink to that. Okay? We will never say goodbye. Hello?
Hello? Hey, Cardinal man, how are you? Oh, it's been a long time, man. How is everything?
Oh, I just went to the village to sort out some issues with my people.
Hope all is well, huh?
Yes, all is well. I just went there to sort out some issues. Listen, Collins, I need you and your advice. I've called Jimmy and he's coming. I need you here as soon as possible.
All right, I'll be with you in a jiffy. Okay? I'll be there.
All right, bro.
Hey, how are you doing, sweetheart?
Who are you talking with?
Guess who? Kano at last.
Oh, where has he been?
Village, of course. Sorting out things with his old folks. You know, he's a prince, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, just get me something to eat. I think I have to say it immediately.
Okay.
Okay?
It's not my will to let you go. It hurts me to see you walk away like this. I don't know how to say goodbye.
Let's stop crying. I can't cause your downfall. You will not lose your inheritance because of me. Mine is an inheritance of death.
God will protect and guide you. Wherever you go, He'll find for you a man who loves you sincerely with his heart. A man who will love you more than I've ever loved you.
And may you never lose your inheritance. May nothing ever rob you of your inheritance. Tell Chioma and Nego that the gods have separated us. Tell Collins and Jimmy that you've gone back to my loneliness. We shall see again. Whenever the gods wish. But don't forget, I have loved you. I will always live to love you. Here's your check. I don't need it.
Please, I beg of you. I beg of you. Please take this check. You need it. You know you need it. Please, I beg of you.
The Prince of Ototo land. Kano. What's the meaning of this? What happened? Talk to me, Kano. Talk to me. What happened?
You know, left me.
Did you send her away or she decided to leave you?
I did not send her. She did not decide to leave me. We did not decide to part. We could not part. But the gods and tradition and culture, they forced us apart. Jimmy, they forced us apart.
It's okay, Kanu. It's okay. See, I strongly believe the will of God. Life is full of ups and downs, but still, the will of God supersedes the will of the gods, or tradition, or even any man.
Just tell me, what am I going to do now? Why me? Why?
Kanu, be a man. Gather yourselves together. This is not the end of the world. Come on. The Prince of Ototoland. Come on, Sharon. Huh?
Hey, Jimmy, you're here.
Doc.
What's happening here?
Eno has left him.
Really? Job, my prince, okay? I'm assuring you everything is going to be alright. Okay?
It's okay.
Just put yourself together. Put yourself together. Okay? Sit down this one. Baby, watching me. Come on, let's dance. No, I'm tired. Come on, let's dance. I want to dance with you. Let's dance, baby.
No, sit down.
Oh my God. So you can dance this one.
What about Kanu and
Kanu and Eno have separated.
What?
Yes.
I told this girl to go for an abortion. Why?
You did what? You advised her to do such an abominable thing, huh?
It's just the only way she can save her relationship. Darling, can't you see?
Shoma, I'm highly disappointed in you. Why?
I'm sorry, but it's just that I still wanted to see them together. I'm sorry. Okay? So, where is she now?
I don't know. Even Kanu does not know where she is. I don't know.
Honey, I'm sorry, please. Sweetie.
Hello, Father.
Hello.
Yes, Your Highness.
So how are you, my son?
Oh, I'm all right. I'm just recovering from the trauma that tradition and the gods put me through.
My son, put yourself together. It will soon be over. We have to do that for your own good. Hmm? Everything will soon be all right, okay?
Yes, Father.
Thank you.
Goodbye, Father. Adamu! Adamu!
Augusta!
Now listen carefully. I'm leaving town for a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days. Now, if anybody comes to look for me, including my friends, just tell them I traveled or something, that I'm out of town. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And, yeah. Take this for your food, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now open the gate.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have an executive suite?
Yes, sir.
And how much is it for a night?
So we charge 5,000 naira per night.
Alright, I'm staying for 3 days. That should be 15,000, right?
Yes, sir. Baby, give me 20,000 as your deposit.
Alright, alright.
Take him to room 201.
The love we shared was worth dying for. But I listened to the gods and the traditions of our land and chose my inheritance over you. God knows I loved you sincerely. You're precious to me. But what separated us it's beyond my powers. Missing you is what we've been for. And I have wept enough. But I shall weep no more. And you too, my love, wherever you are, please, weep no more.
I told you everything will be all right. Your son, Mamazi, is now with his senses. And I see a very bright future for him. I foresee it.
I thank the gods for bringing him back to his senses. And Ebube, the mouth of the gods. I thank you too for a job well done.
Everybody get one. Omero one of Ututu community. I greet you. I shall be on my way.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Obodo Diego Nanu obodo Diego Nanu na talo obodo n'etigbo obodo Diego Nanu
Sanusa. Is your guy back? Yes, I don't come back. Hey, Colin. Hey, the prince. How are you, bro? I'm okay. Where have you been?
Well, I just took a few days off, to get away from this house. Sometimes I feel that Eno is here with me, Sometimes I just wake up at night and I see her there lying on the bed with tears on her face. So I decided to get away from this house for a while.
You may not understand what you're doing to yourself. Look, I have told you to get over this issue and start life anew. I mean, life goes on.
Yeah, all right. I'm getting over it. Can we just go inside the house and do my father called me last night. His main worry is that I haven't brought someone, a girl to introduce to him as my future wife. Since Eno's case, I've been very careful with women. But I'm worried about my dad. His health keeps failing.
Is he that old?
Not really. It's just that he has a fragile health, a very fragile health. But one thing that'll make him happy is if I bring a wife, the future Lolo of Ututu land. That is my wife. But one thing, I know he really wants to hand over the throne to me now that he's still alive.
Your tradition allows that?
Yes, that is if the incumbent wishes it so.
See, Kano, it's high time you erase the memory of Eno from your heart and start up a new relationship.
You think I'll find a wife out there?
Hey, come on. There are so many of them, so many beauties out there, waiting for the snap of your fingers, and they'll be all there, right in your arms.
Anyway, my mom has a candidate for that. I heard the lady is practically living with them in the palace, and she wants me to come down and see the girl by this weekend.
You mean she has? Mm-hmm. I tell you, we must be one of those village champions. Come on, listen, friend. We have passed that stage where our parents will choose a wife for us. You are the one that is going to live with the woman, not your parents. So, you should know what you want.
You have a point there. But I still have to go down to see the girl just to please my mother. Besides, if the girl is, if she makes a good first impression, then I'll consider courtship. I have time to, study her.
If you're talking about courtship before marrying her, I think you're right. That's cool.
So how long are you staying in Nigeria? When are you going back to the States?
I don't know how long I'm going to stay because I have some business here to tidy up before going back.
Your wife is with you or is she in
No,
the US?
because of the tight business schedule, so I didn't really come down with her.
All right. You've changed, really. I don't remember you wearing things like this. You even
Look
have
at you.
earrings and all
The
that.
prince of what do they call it?
You see, that's another thing. You don't even know how to speak your language again.
Hey, come on now.
Ijoma, how are you? Yes, I'm just on my way to my house to change my clothes and start going to the airport. Yes. Oh, your dress. I'm sorry, I forgot. You know what? When I come back to the village, I'll give you the money and you can buy some for yourself, okay? You don't want the money? Okay. If you're lucky, I'll see a good boutique along the way and I'll get you something. Okay? Alright, I'll see you in the evening then. Bye. Hello. I need something nice for my younger sister.
Your younger sister, what's her size?
Just about your size, I think.
Something like this.
No, I need something more mature.
How about this?
Yes, something like that. And let me see this long.
Okay, the blue one.
How much is it for the photo?
Well, for both of them is 15,600.
15,600. Well, what is the 600 naira there for? I'll give you 15,000.
No, that's the price. You can see this one is corporate, you know.
Oh, this is sales girl talk. Forget it. I'm giving you 15,000.
No, sir.
Oh, she likes it. Wrap it, yeah, just wrap it up. I don't believe this. No. I was just on my way to the airport and I decided to branch in here and buy something for my younger sister, and here you are.
This is not true. I never dreamt of seeing you again, you know.
Me too. I mean, I thought you've left Lagos for good. What are you doing here?
Well, this is my little shop. I opened it with the money you gave me.
You've not done bad for yourself. I'm impressed. I've always known you were industrious, as well as respectful, humble, loving, caring. So what has been happening to you? I mean, are you married or something?
No. I guess I'm still waiting for Mr. Right. How about you?
I'm still single. Look, is there somewhere we can go and talk? You know, we really need to talk.
Talk? Do you think there's really anything to talk about?
Yes, I do. 2 years is a long time.
Well, if you insist, I guess my office.
No, I think I need somewhere more private, like a restaurant or...
Don't worry, I guarantee you, we can have all the quiet you need in my office. Okay? Let's go. Have a seat.
You know, I thought you'd gone back to Calabar or maybe traveled abroad or something.
Well, I decided against leaving Lagos. I also decided against seeing you again. That was why I chose the suburb.
So, what about the baby? Our baby. I'd like to see it. What?
No, not at all. It's nothing. I mean, it's the baby, okay? I lost it.
You what?
I had a miscarriage and was hospitalized for more than 3 months.
Angel, I'm sorry I put you through all this. How do I put this? I'd like to rekindle our relationship. I never lost the feeling I had for you, the strong feelings I had for you all these years.
Well, I would also want to continue the relationship. But Kano, your traditions, your customs, your inheritance, your birthright.
I know. You lost the baby, right? And you're not pregnant now, are you? So tradition and the gods cannot stop us. I know. Let me ask you, for the last time, the second and last time, please, marry me.
Look, I think you're being too hasty about everything, okay? I suggest you just go sleep over it.
After all these years, I haven't lost my love for you. I'm still in love with you. I still care for you. Seeing you now rekindles the fact, reaffirms the fact that I love you so much. I don't want to lose you a second time. Please, Anna. Think about it.
You said everything is all right in Lagos, huh?
That's fine.
That's fine. That's fine. Have you seen the young lady your mother found for you? I have seen her myself and she is such a lovely young lady. I'm sure you will like her. Have you seen her?
No, he hasn't. By tomorrow she'll be here. I've sent Ijoma to her. Son, the lady is a beautiful lady and respectful. She's also educated. I know you will like her.
Mom, I don't think it's necessary for me to see the girl. You see, I already have someone in Lagos that I'm engaged to.
Son, you encouraged me to continue with the arrangement just a week ago.
I know, I did, but I wasn't sure then. That's all.
So, what do you want me to tell Oluchi's parents? Anyway, this lady you are talking about, is she from Otutu or a neighboring town?
Let me come in here. Kano has never failed us. I've always relied on his judgments. If he has fallen in love with a young lady, we can only but be supportive, provided they have not gone against our traditions or the commands of the gods.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome, my son. Now, when do we get to see this girl you've chosen for yourself?
Well, if I leave tomorrow, then I'll bring her by the weekend.
That's all right. That's all right.
You know, you've never ceased to be a very fantastic cook. I really missed your cooking.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. You know, I missed your humor and I missed your love too. But most especially, I missed you. So, how is Collins and Jimmy?
They're fine, they're fine. Collins now resides in Ibadan. He's doing his specialization in the University Teaching Hospital there. So he had to move with his family. And Jimmy married Ego, remember Ego, right?
You are serious, huh?
Yes, and she won an American visa lottery, so
they
now live and work in Alaska.
This is good news, God. I'm happy for them.
Yeah, we still keep in touch.
Yeah, you could say that again.
You know, we really have to go to my hometown together this weekend.
Kano, I still think you're rushing things.
No, I am not. I mean, my parents, my entire family, they're all waiting to see you. We really have to go there. I mean, that is, if you still love me.
Well, if you insist.
I do, I insist. Now, one more thing. I'm going to introduce you to my parents with your English name Lillian for now. Do you mind?
Whatever you say.
Mind-blowing. It's a pickle-hawking skirt. Fish with this small. What happened? I have to sew it. I just have to sew it. I have to go to church next 2 years. I saw one gown yesterday. Was not my very sweet. Imagine me, your man girl. No, I don't want gown. I'm going to church. Skirt to church. No. I can go. No. Something like this now. No, this is church. You need to see that skirt. I just want to sew it. I can just imagine it in my mind right now. It is beautiful.
Mama said you'll be getting married very soon. Is this your wife?
Shut up. You haven't even said hello to her.
That's I like you. Told me, I think Mama would like you too. Really? Mama, Papa, oh.
Don't be talk too much, okay?
Really?
Ah! What am I?
Your Highness, I greet you.
You're welcome, my son.
Good afternoon, ma.
Ne, you are welcome.
Who is this angel with you? Come, my daughter. Come, my daughter. Come here. Come.
Son, you're welcome. Thank you. Ne, how are you? Fine, ma. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go in and have a closer look at something you brought for us. Come inside. Come in.
Don't be embarrassed, okay? My people are known very well for their hospitality. They've been waiting a long while to see a woman come home with me to be introduced as my wife. And now that they saw you, they knew the long-awaited moment has come. So do not be embarrassed and feel at home.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Your Highness, my father, Ezelmero Hawan of Ututu community. My mothers, I greet you all.
You're welcome.
This is Lillian, a Calabar woman. I brought her here to introduce to you as the person I intend to marry.
My daughter, wherever you come from, Calabar, Yoruba, Fulani, Hausa, is inconsequential. I know my son so much. He must have been totally satisfied with you before he decided to introduce you to us as a wife-to-be. On behalf of the entire family, you are welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
As you can see, we are all happy to welcome you. And your happiness here, we have no limits.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome, our daughter.
Thank you. Thanks.
Karawamazi, since you have found another woman to replace her now, I will fix both the wedding and the coronation in 3 months' time. Your wife to be is beautiful, and I think she looks intelligent too.
Thank you, Father. As for the wedding and coronation, it is all right by me. But we will have to leave early tomorrow morning back to Lagos.
Okay. May the gods guide you safely, my son.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you very much.
My daughter, take good care of my son. And I will make sure you have a befitting marriage.
Thank you very much, Ma. Thank you very much.
Thank you once more, Your Highness, my mothers.
Thank you, my
Thank you very much.
Good night.
Hello, darling.
Hello. Damn. I'd like to be addressing you as my Lolo, you know.
Well, that has actually been my dream. I just hope it will come to reality. So.
Of course it will. Of course it will. Meanwhile, you're looking very edible and gorgeous this evening. What do you say we go upstairs and catch some fun?
Please, leave me out of this kind of fun because I don't want you impregnating me again.
Come on, my coronation is in about 3 months and I wouldn't like to do something stupid to spoil it. Do you think I will?
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Hey, meet me upstairs.
All right, come on. You know, I never expected our wedding would be so glamorous and exciting.
What are you expecting? Look, let me tell you in case you've forgotten. You are a prince to the prominent Eze. Moreover, our wedding will be running alongside the coronation.
That reminds me. My father wants me to come back so that we can finalize arrangements for the coronation.
Come on, sweetie. When are you going to have some rest? You've been frequently going home because of this coronation.
Yeah, that's right. This coronation is really putting me on fire. Besides, you know, I'm the chief celebrant and my father is the chief host. So we don't want to leave any stone unturned. Besides, if Jimmy is in town, then he'll come for the coronation. And Collins and his wife, Chioma, are definitely coming for the coronation.
Really?
So I want to make sure that everybody who has an important role to play in the coronation is duly informed.
Okay. So, when do you think you'll come back?
That should be Friday, I think. Friday, yeah.
Okay. But I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too.
I love you.
Yeah, I know that. Prove it.
We believe we all know why we are here today. Today is a great day in the history of Ututu community. We have all gathered to witness two great events in Ututu land. First is the marriage between Prince Kanu and Princess Lillian. This will be immediately followed by the grand installation of Prince Kanu as the Eze Omeroha, the second of Ututu community. We have so much to do today, and time is not our friend. The stage is set. The bridegroom is anxiously waiting to receive the wine from his bride. We will be very glad if the musicians can stop playing so that the ceremony can commence. My daughter, the whole royal family and Otutu community welcome you. My son has told us all we ought to know about you. You may be an orphan, but today you have been blessed with many mothers and sisters-in-law. May you and my son, Kano, make a blessed marriage. May you and my son, Kano, make a blessed marriage together. May you have many children and many grandchildren. I bless you both today. May the good Lord be with you. May the good Lord bless this marriage now and forevermore. I greet all of you here, to my good people of Ututu. I greet you in-laws and well-wishers, friends and enemies. I greet all of you. You are all very welcome. Today we are going to witness a very grand occasion, and that is the crowning of Nwamazi, Kano Nwamazi, my son, as the ruler of Ututu community. For obvious reasons. And those reasons are, one, that I am old and feeble, but he is young, energetic, and strong. And I have every hope that he will rule Ututu very well. Kano Nwamazi, the crown prince of Ututu community. Today, I crown you the Igwe of Ututu community. May you live long, May you take our people to the promised land of wealth.
People of Ututu, Gwen!
Yeah!
Gwen!
Yeah!
Gwen's on!
Yeah!
As the new Igwe of Ututu community, I promise to rule you all to the best of my ability. But I want you to understand that the world is now a global community, and we must all move by the dictates of time. People of Ututu, Gwen!
Yeah!
Gwen!
Yeah!
Gwen's on!
Yeah!
Why am I dressed this way now? Is this not a madam Hashrai? What am I doing here?
What are you doing here, you lunatic? Now get out from here before Amado has strikes you.
Whom did you call a lunatic?
You.
Me. A lunatic. I'm sorry for you.
Eh?
Ebu, I'm sorry for you because your cup is filled. You made me mad. Simply because I refused to marry you. You wanted to destroy me, Ebube. Because I knew most of your secrets.
So, you are well now, eh?
Oh, yes, I am.
Hey.
Look at you. The wicked priest of Amado. So you expected me, Dorothy Okenwa, a grade 2 teacher, to marry you? A stark illiterate. That is what you are, a stark illiterate.
Doro, get out from here now before I bring the offer.
You have lost the battle.
Dora, what have you done?
As you can see, your mother has abandoned you. Yes! The gods have deserted you, Ebube. In a bid to destroy you for all the atrocities you did in this community.
Hey!
Amadioha has destroyed itself.
Hey!
You've lost the battle.
Oh!
Ebube! 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 Ebube!
Strange things are happening in our land. Everybody, the chief priest has suddenly vanished into thin air. Dora the lunatic, after recovering from her madness, now lives in the church and accuses Ebube, the chief priest, of so many heinous crimes.
Strange things indeed.
And that is not all. The shrine of Amadioha is in shambles. The people in the streets believe it is the sign of a new dawn. The dawn of modernity.
Is it? Do you think the people are right?
Yes, they are right. We must replace the old customs and belief system.
Sweetie, I have a confession to make. I'm really sorry I lied to you, but it's because I love you so much. I never wanted to lose you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
How can I forgive what I do not know? What did you lie about?
About our baby. I had no miscarriage. Our baby is still alive.
And I'm still alive?
How do you mean?
If the crown prince marries a pregnant woman, or one that has already had a baby for him before marriage, he will die naturally before the crown touches his head. Yet, I'm still alive. Is this mystery part of the wind of change that is blowing everywhere?
Honey, I believe strongly that the Almighty God whom we serve have used us to destroy the obnoxious customs and traditions our people have been subjected to.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Honey, maybe I should go and make this confession to your father.
No. His health is very unstable. Moreover, he is of the old order and may not welcome this new era. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see our son.
I love you too. Our son is in Lagos. Adam?
Adam? No. Mama is.
Your love is driving me